Hey guys, it's VinnyLambo here, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a different video, kind of an awesome tutorial, and yeah, so I don't know if you guys know what a Visa gift card is. It's something you get. Usually it's a prepaid card. It has like a certain amount of money on it. Spend it on whatever you want, and it acts as a credit card with like a certain balance on it. I have one that's sitting right in front of me that looks exactly like this. It's already spent, so I have a pretty cool workaround to anything. So you can pretty much just get free whatever you want. So first of all, try to find something that has a trial. So like e-notes, you can get like answers for usually reading stuff, and answers for a lot of questions for a lot of classes. There's Netflix, you can get a trial for a month, and Amazon Prime, you can also get a free month trial. Even if you get the trial, you can actually get the Prime pack on Fortnite for free if that's what you're looking for. So for example, let's just start out with Netflix. If you want to join for free for a month, you just use that, and then let's see the plan. Let's buy the premium, of course. And alright, so you can just I'll just use one of my fake emails and just type this in. Alright, so now as you can see, there's a gift code for a Netflix gift card, I guess, a PayPal account, or a credit or debit card. So you just want to select credit card, and the same as billing zip code, I don't know, I'll just make up a random one. 96548. Okay, card number. Alright, so here is where you want to get your Visa gift card. It doesn't really matter how much money you have on it. Preferably, you don't really want any on it, so then it doesn't get charged after the trial's done. So then now you just enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and I'm gonna do that now. And you can just start the membership. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're into Netflix. We can use it, do whatever we want, and it works. So we have a free month of Netflix trial, and I think you could just keep reusing the trial. What you have to do though is that it memorizes what your account is. So see in the top right up here, it'll say that I'm signed in as VinnyLambo right now. So I suggest just make a few fake accounts. Maybe every time you do it, make a fake name and billing address and stuff like that. So as long as you keep using the same card, it should work. Same with e-notes. Let's say you want to join this. You can just pretty much just do the same exact thing, and let's do the plus annual. Of course, you always want the nicest things when you get the trial, because you're not going to be paying for it no matter what. So then for Amazon Prime, especially for the Twitch Prime Wanters, sign in and then do the same exact thing that I did for these two, and you should be all good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. It's actually super useful. So there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Peace.